Hi, my name's Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English Every Day. Today, we're talking about Thanksgiving, and we're going to practice using some idioms related to the holiday. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give my videos a like, and ask me any questions or any comments down there in the chat, okay? All right, guys, so you can also follow me on Facebook. I have a new page called Raising My Vibration, so feel free to check that out. And you can also go to Everyday English Every Day with Bekah. All right, so when we're talking about Thanksgiving, we're talking about being thankful for something or someone, right? So we can also say to be grateful for something or for someone. They're the same, okay? So we can say, I am thankful for, and then you list it, right? List all the things you're thankful for. I am grateful for my comfortable house here on the beach in Costa Rica, my awesome community, my friends, my family, my children, my pets, right? So remember, giving thanks raises our vibration, right? It makes us better. So be sure to give thanks, not only on Thanksgiving, but every day. Every day we should be giving gratitude for what we have, right? When we give gratitude, it's because we appreciate it, right? It's important to appreciate everything we have. All right, so we can say to count your blessings. That's an expression we say on Thanksgiving. So when you count your blessings, you're grateful for the things or the people in your life. When I count my blessings, I'm grateful for my good health and my comfortable house near the beach. Now, we can also say a blessing in disguise. Now, this is different. This is something that at first appears to be bad or unlucky, but it turns out to be good in the end. Losing her job ended up being a blessing in disguise because she got a new job making double the salary she was earning. Okay, so when something first happens, we think, oh my goodness, how can this be? But in the end, often change is good, right? It often leads to an improvement in our lives. So tell me, what are your blessings, right? Tell me what you're grateful for in the chat. Have you ever experienced a blessing in disguise? Share with us below. All right, well, the food is awesome on Thanksgiving, right? So you have to check out my videos from last year about Thanksgiving because I was in Connecticut and I shared our Thanksgiving feast. Remember, a feast is a huge meal. So after we eat a feast, we're stuffed. So when you're stuffed, you're super full after eating. I'm always stuffed after the Thanksgiving meal because I eat too much. Now, we put stuffing in the turkey, right? Inside of it. Stuffing is made out of bread and seasonings. I love stuffing. It's my favorite Thanksgiving food. I can also say I like to eat stuffed peppers. If I have a pepper, I can put maybe ground beef and rice inside of it, and then it's a stuffed pepper. So when something is stuffed, right, something is inside of it. I can have a stuffed animal, right? My children like to play with stuffed animals. All right, guys, give my videos a like, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos usually on Monday and Wednesdays. Comment below and get in touch with me if you have any questions or want more information or are interested in taking some English sessions online. All right, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Keep growing and expanding every single day. Bye-bye.